Hey everybody, welcome back. We got another one. Like a month and a half ago, 2 months ago, when I did Fiddler's Green by Tragically Hip. If you haven't seen that one, oh frick, I still love that. It just turned out so good. But I went through a lot of hip songs and rolling up stuff that wouldn't work on a Merlin, and I honestly can say I didn't even know this song. This was a request. Isaac? I always mess. I never remember who does the request. I think it was Isaac. Requested this song. Yeah, it's actually a great song. You know, that's the thing about people outside Canada don't realize about the hip and Gord Downie. Just what an amazing songwriter he really was. He's I think in history he's gonna be remembered just as one of those guys that knew what the hell he was doing. Alright, so this is not gonna be a crazy long, crazy lesson. It's pretty much all strumming. It is all strumming, it's just we're doing it in a different way. So we're gonna break it down. Intro, chorus, because it does the chorus first. If I can make you scared, it's the chorus. Verse, and then there's a bridge in here. So the chords for the intro, the chorus, and the verse are pretty much everything's exactly the same except a little difference. And then the verses, or the bridge is something completely different. So the basic pattern throughout the song is... and then pretty much all of that is played over your D, except when you go to the 3rd fret. That goes into a low G, but that's the only change. So it's... Now, the only difference I play, like that's the chorus, straight through, doesn't change. That's the intro, straight through, doesn't change. The only difference between when I do the intro I will more or less do a flat pick, single note pick out instead of a full strum. So, and that's just something, I'll go a little further down here so you can see the strumming head. That's just something that will, you'll find what works for you, right? once we get to the verse, or the chorus, sorry, I'm more or less doing a full strum. So the chorus is 4 times. Now, when we get to the verse, first verse is, you're in Russia, and more, you're in Russia, and more that a million works, yeah, whoever wrote this out is completely wrong. So, when I was looking through chords for this, most people say you play the exact same, and you might, but I kind of like, to me it sounds like it stops short every second line. So when you go to the G, instead of ending it back in a D, you just hold that G. So the first time you threw would be the same way. Second time, hold the G. Third time, normal. Fourth time, hold the G. To me, that's what it sounds like to my ear. Now, the thing is, there's 2 guitars doing this. When you listen to the song, one guitar is doing the same pattern we did for everything else. But there's also another guitar in there doing some more runs to it. But the problem is, the runs he's doing, like he starts here, and then he goes lower. We only get 2 more notes down. So there's nothing you can do. So if you're using this as a song that you're just gonna sing, it won't matter. Just do it the same way. So then, so that's the verse. So you hold the G, no hold G, and then hold the G again, like we just said. And then we're gonna do a bunch of other parts. Now the bridge. Bridge is, now there's a focus group that can prove this is all nothing but cold calculation. So we just end the chorus as a D, and then from there you go into your A. High G, back to your A. Do it again. But instead of going back to the A, you end it on the D. Now, the timing on that bridge, honestly, I might have that a little off. That's the right chords. Listen to songs to make sure what the timing is on that, how long you learn the chords. I learned this a couple days ago, and I didn't bother listening to it again before I started the video, sorry. So just listen to the song. It's actually a great song. The last line on it or something, it was a pleasure doing business with you. And all I can think. It's a perfect line for Gord. It was a pleasure, Gord. That's it. That's all I got. I hope this, Isaac, I hope this helps. I hope because you said you had already figured out most of this. I hope this is in the same lines of the way you were learning it. The same, because I think you said you had the main riff down. I'm hoping we're on the same page. If not, send me a message. Let's maybe do a video of what you're doing, and we can see maybe you're doing it better and I can change my ways. Anyways, practice patience, have fun. I'm not going to do another video till probably after Christmas. So, Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy Hanukkah. Happy holidays. Whatever you celebrate. All of it. Merry Christmas. We will see you guys next time. Practice, patience, have fun.